Believe it or not, I am an introvert. When I was younger, hindi ko talaga magawang to speak in front of other people. I draw my energy when I am alone and when I am in the silence of my own room, thinking and reflecting. That's how introverts are. But that is a self-limiting belief that I had before, especially when my mentor in the past was already teaching me how to do public speaking. So I conquered that. It's part of my role. I try to learn technique on how I can align the butterflies in my stomach. Kasi meron pa rin. But I try to learn techniques in public speaking. So much so that the response of the audience is already great. Quite frankly, I will tell you, even though I am able to speak in front of people, after a talk, I hibernate again and regain my strength on my own.